Imagine running an entire business where your customer support, onboarding, reporting, and even internal workflows are powered by AI agents you built in minutes. No complex coding, no juggling multiple tools, just one platform that takes your idea and turns it into an intelligent, automated workforce. Today, I'm going to show you how Airia does exactly that, and how you can try it completely free for 14 days. A few months ago, a SaaS founder shared something interesting with me. He said his team spent more time answering repetitive questions than building their product. They tried chatbots, automations, even hiring extra support. Nothing worked. Then they switched to Airia, built a custom agent tailored to their business, and within a week, their workload dropped by 40%. That's when I realized this platform isn't just another AI tool. It's a real shift in how teams operate. And today, I'll show you how you can build the same kind of agents from scratch. What is Airia? Airia is a professional-grade AI agent platform that lets you design, deploy, and automate complex workflows without writing code. Unlike basic chatbots that only respond to messages, Airia agents can take actions, fetch data, integrate with your systems, perform analysis, and execute business processes from end to end. The platform includes a visual workspace, tool integrations, agent training features, and deployment options for web, API, and enterprise environments. How Airia works. At its core, Airia uses a combination of large language models, action tools, and knowledge bases to create smart, goal-driven agents. You provide instructions, knowledge sources, and operational rules. Airia turns that into a fully functioning system capable of understanding tasks, making decisions, and delivering consistent output. The platform also supports multi-agent collaboration, meaning you can build ecosystems of agents that work together, such as a support agent, an analytics agent, and a sales agent within one workspace. Airia interface walkthrough. When you log into Airia, you land on a clean dashboard showing the workspaces, templates, and active agents. Each workspace is like your project hub where you configure tools, upload knowledge, and manage all your AI systems. Inside a workspace, you'll see tabs for agents, tools, knowledge, workflows, and deployments. The layout is intuitive, so even if you're not technical, you won't feel overwhelmed. How to build your first AI agent. To create an agent, you start inside a workspace and click Create Agent. Airia will ask you for the agent's role, objectives, tone, and behavior rules. This is where you define exactly what the agent should do. After naming the agent and writing the instructions, you connect the required tools. For example, you can link APIs, databases, spreadsheets, CRMs, or third-party apps, depending on the workflow. You can also upload files, manuals, FAQs, or documents to train the agent with accurate knowledge. Once everything is in place, you can run test prompts and adjust the instructions until the agent behaves exactly the way you want. Adding knowledge and tools. Knowledge is added through documents, URLs, or direct text. Airia indexes everything so your agent can instantly recall and use the information. Tools are the action systems. These may include data fetchers, analytics modules, API connectors, form generators, or internal business tools. By connecting the right knowledge and tools, you move from a simple conversational agent to a powerful operational one, capable of performing real tasks instead of just answering questions. Workflow automation. Workflows let you chain agent actions together. For example, you can build a workflow where the agent reads a customer message, extracts intent, pulls order information, checks policy conditions, drafts a personalized response, and logs everything into your system. Airia gives you a visual editor where you arrange steps, add conditions, configure triggers, and test flows. This is how companies automate processes that normally take hours of manual work. Deploying your agent. Once your agent is ready, Airia gives you multiple deployment methods. You can embed the agent as a chat widget on your website, use it through a secure API endpoint, plug it into your CRM, or run it internally for team operations. Each deployment method includes analytics, so you can monitor performance, see user interactions, and optimize the workflow over time. How enterprises use Airia. Companies use Airia to handle customer support, lead qualification, HR onboarding, data processing, compliance reporting, e-commerce automation, and internal knowledge assistance. Enterprises benefit from Airia's security controls, custom integrations, SSO, audit logs, and the ability to deploy private model environments. Because the agents can take actions instead of just answering questions, large teams use them to offload repetitive workloads and free up human staff to focus on higher-level decisions. Airia offers a 14-day free trial that gives you full access to the core features. During the trial, you can build unlimited workspaces, create agents, upload knowledge, connect tools, test workflows, and even deploy agents. The trial is designed to help you experience real automation before committing. Why Airia stands out. Airia stands out because it allows non-technical creators, businesses, and enterprise teams to build intelligent workflows that used to require engineering teams. Instead of investing weeks into development, you can create automation in minutes. The platform combines knowledge, reasoning, and action tools in a way that feels powerful but still easy to use. If you want to experience Airia for yourself, try the 14-day free trial and start building your first AI agent today. The link is in the description. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.